Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with another little house shack update. Nothing too major because you guys have seen most of it, but I just wanted to let you know the process, how it's going, where I'm at, and share everything with you. So let's get into it. I'm upstairs. I've had quite a few people ask about Trey, my other house, but I will have an update for you hopefully later this week on that to share here on YouTube. So for today, let's just do this. I have done like a basic clean up here. The floors have been vacuumed and mopped and everything. I still have to do the windowsills. Just the construction debris and dust and everything takes a little while to get up, but we're going to start over here. I'm upstairs if I didn't say that. And if you guys recall, this, and I still have it up here a little bit, is where I had the closet doors. I had this framed out as a closet because when I originally thought up the design up here, I wasn't sure about the bathroom space, if it was going to work out, and I didn't realize it would take up so much space this direction. But so I had planned this out to be the closet, and originally I was going to put my bed over here. But when the bathroom was all completed and everything, just space-wise, it makes more sense for the bedroom portion of this space to be over here. So I took the closet doors off. I'm still going to keep them just in case I ever want to put them back, or if I do end up moving in the future, if they ever want to put them back. And right now I just have a mattress in the little cubby here, and that little cove over there, I never got a door built because I had it in the closet, so I didn't think it would need a door, all this stuff. But I'm just going to get a headboard, like a bed frame and a headboard, and it'll be covered. I'll just put things that I don't really need in there, and I think this will actually be super cute and cozy little bed cove. Like I said, right now I have a mattress on the floor. It is. I mean, I've used it like 3 times, but it's a brand new mattress I actually got from Facebook. And it was like, what do they call that? Vacuum sealed, I guess. So I was easily able to get it upstairs. And I've slept here for 3 days now, and it's been great. Usually I just keep the windows open, but it's supposed to rain, so I have them closed now. But it has been nice and cool here in Michigan, so I haven't even had to use the fan that I have. So I've been thankful for that. But that's the little bedroom cove. And then I'm going to put something over here, a dresser, I don't know. This is still empty as well, that little cubby. Here's the fan that I have not been using just yet. And then the bathroom, which you guys have already seen. I've used it once. It was great. And then this is the little temporary, I don't know, we'll see how it goes, setup that I have for all my clothes and everything right now. It just made more sense for this smaller area to be the closet. And then I can hang stuff. You know, I'll get it all situated. Same thing, have to clean the windows. And then I'll probably get a mirror for right here and storage and all that good stuff. So I think that's about it for upstairs. I have this fun little lamp that I'm going to put up. And then let's head downstairs. The stairs have been cleaned a little bit, but like I said, this dust is just so hard to get rid of. And I'm definitely still planning on getting a runner all the way up. And it's quite cool down here. Like I said, it's been like 60s and colder than that at night. But I got all my plants here successfully. I actually did everything on my own. I moved everything on my own. I was very happy about that, and it really wasn't too bad. It didn't take me too long. It only took me 2 trips in my dad's van to get the plants here. And I have started, don't mind the little dirt, moving them into their new room, at least for the current state. You know, I'm sure I'll rearrange and everything. I still have this pile of flooring and everything to use. And then this door, I want to restore the original hardware and everything. I just think it's super cool. That reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, if you guys know what part I'm talking about. So plant room is coming along nicely. I still have some stuff to bring in. And I actually had quite a few comments on multiple videos of mine saying that I should make this my bedroom and then put the plants upstairs. And I just kind of wanted to briefly touch on why I'm not doing that. There's a few reasons. One, I want my plants to be downstairs rather than upstairs, because if they were upstairs, I would not see them as much. I wouldn't go up there and just chill. I wouldn't hang up with them. It would just kind of be out of sight, out of mind. I would go up to water them for sure, but I want to be able to enjoy them every day. I want to see them every day. I want people, if they come over to my house, I want them to be able to enjoy them and see them. I'm proud of all my plants, and I want people to see them without taking the trek upstairs, because I know people wouldn't do that. So I want them to be down here so they're easily seen, much easier to water down here than it would be up there. Plus, they're just very heavy, and I don't want to have to lug them up and down the stairs. But the main reason for me is that I want to live upstairs. I want my bedroom to be upstairs, because in my mobile home, when it was all just close together, one floor, I spent my entire days pretty much in my bed. Like, I wouldn't sit on the couch. I didn't sit at my dining room table. You know, obviously I did things that I needed to do, but if I had time, I was in my bed. I would hang out in my bed. I would, you know, when I wasn't sleeping, I was in my bed. I would even eat in my bed. And I don't want to do that here. I kind of want to hold myself accountable to live in my home and not just in my bedroom. So once I get a nice little couch over here, I will be able to spend more time moving around, being outside, sitting on my couch, rather than just being up in my bed. So I figured if my bed was upstairs, separated from the rest of the house, like a separated sleeping area, I would only go up there when I needed to sleep or get dressed, and so far, so good. Even right now, when that's the only place that I have available to sit, I've been down here much more. So that's the reasoning for that. The plants, I think, are doing okay. Nobody died on the way over, but the fiddle leaf figs I'm a little nervous about, because I know they do go into shock quite easily when they move locations. So I'm just going to watch out for those guys and then give them their forever spot here in a moment. You know, here's this corner. I'm working on getting everything put away, but as you guys know, life doesn't stop, so I still have to work and everything and get to what I can when I can. This flooring has been vacuumed and mopped for the first time as well. Not with that vacuum. I used my mom's vacuum, but I will be getting a new one. Here's the state of the kitchen. Just tons and tons of stuff that, again, needs to be put away. I have been managing. I had cereal and a banana for breakfast, so nothing that needed heating or anything. This pantry I have not organized yet, but I've just kind of shoved everything in when I was moving, and I have lots more space, especially once I reorganize. But look at how much food can fit in here. So I did take all of this from my old house when I moved, and I'm very happy that I did, so I don't have to buy all new stuff. And here's a new little update. I got this cute fridge. I just got it off of Facebook Marketplace for cheap. It's small. It's about 10 cubic feet, but it'll do for me, especially for right now. It's not going to be, you know, my permanent fridge, but it'll do for a while until I find and can get the fridge that I really want. So that's the update on that. And here's the mudroom, walkway area, whatever. I have tons of stuff shoved in here as well that I will need to go through. You know, keep in mind that the dishwasher and washing machine are still down there, so it's not completely loaded with stuff. But yes, there's that. And then the bathroom, this is a little bit new for you guys. The sink has been installed and the faucet, obviously. I have still yet to paint. I have a lot of organizing to do in here as well. I have to get some shelves for right here so all of this can be put away. I have not showered in here yet. It's a little dirty down there as well because I had forgotten. We turned the gas off before they started renovations because of this. And I just want to make sure that it has properly been capped, which I'm going to say it probably hasn't been. So I'm calling a heating, cooling person, whoever has expertise in that, to make sure that it's capped properly before I turn the gas back on, and then I'm able to get hot water. So right now I do not have any hot water. I got 2 plants up here. Those guys are living life. I think that little cubby is so cool. All right, and then I wanted to show you a little bit outside because last time I had so many people comment on my lawn, which I agreed is fabulous, but that was only part of my lawn. So I believe, you know, you guys saw all of this leading up to the house. Super cute. My mom helped me plant a few plants, get things temporarily situated in the meantime. I still have a lot to do, obviously, but I have some pots. And then all these bricks were here when I bought the place, and we just made it into like a little fire pit. So that's cute. They were all just kind of stacked over there. Yes, so I will be having a little fire pit. So I showed you all of that part of the yard, obviously this part as well, and then behind the house. But this is also all of my yard. All the way back to the trees over there. That's all me. It's about 1.5 acres in total. And it's great. I am behind all the other houses in their backyards, just because when this house was built back in the 30s, the whole street and living situation was different. That would have been the main entrance before they put the highway and everything in. And all these, I'm assuming all of this yard would have been a farm for this house, which I think is cool to think about. I still have this pile of stuff that I just brought over that eventually will all be transferred into that little cubby shed tent thing. Once I get all the home decor and goods out of there, that will all go in. And then a few things that did get fixed up. Again, it doesn't match, but I got the siding fixed over there. I got all my windowsills shored up. Let's see if you can see. Up there, I got a windowsill built and the siding put on, so that was great. And then, let me show you a fun little update as well. So yes, still all my yard. I'm excited in the future to be able to have a full garden, but I'm not sure it's going to happen this year. Okay, let me unzip this. One moment. So as you can see, I have a ton of stuff in here that still has to be brought inside. Lots of stuff. I have to get my plants put away. That's kind of the first thing on my list. But here's the fun update. I have been gifted from my parents this beautiful Craftsman riding lawnmower. They gave it to me as like a little housewarming gift, I guess. I would have just bought one used off of Facebook Marketplace, but my mom wanted me to get a new one that can be put under warranty because, like you guys have seen, I will definitely be needing it. So I've used it twice now. I mowed all the way back, and I mowed around my house, and it's pretty fun. I mean, you know, it's not like a carnival ride or anything, but it's fun being able to drive it and mow at the same time. So I'm very thankful for that. Very appreciative, and it's definitely come in handy. So as you guys have seen, I still have a lot to do and I have a lot to put away. It's just been so busy, but everything is moved over. Every single thing that I own is either in this tent or in this house. So I guess that's half the battle. And now I just have to organize it all inside and go from there. So I think that's it. Like I said, I'll have an update on my other mobile home for you hopefully later this week. And I'm just going to keep chugging along over here. But as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving. Yes, I will be dumpster diving soon. Home related, all sorts of fun videos. Thank you.